Check. Respect. Scratch Matic, could you hold that one for me? So, good night, thanks again. And I'm saying, give it up. Respect everybody. Come out looking all good. Come represent for the culture. Love it. Big up the promoters. You don't know. Tegan. You don't know. 100 collection. So last year, summer 2022, Goldmine was fighting a whole lot of battles. I was fighting battle at work. I was fighting battle with my partner. And even in my personal life. And in the peak of that battle, this is the song I found. And the hook is like this. If I had it my way, I would fly away, far away somewhere. No one can find me. Scratch Matic, let's do it with the instrumental. Yo! Haile, represent. You don't know my greeting in the name of Haile Selassie I the First, His Majesty. Yeah. And we have said sometimes the place you want to get away to is a space in the mind. Not a physical space. Goldmine. Big up my virgin TGs on this track with me. Anyway, if I had it my way, I would fly away, far away somewhere. No one can find me. If I had it my way, I would fly away, far away. I'ma say problem would work, no? Tired of me hustling every day, but you know the funds I feel generate. So no matter what the struggles that we face, I feel provide for the family and the blessings in my life. That's why we don't give up, yeah, me I want fight. Struggles and the heartache in the hard times only make me stronger. If you overcome the fight, give me this. If I had it my way, I would fly away, far away somewhere. No one can find me. If I had it my way, I would fly away. And before I go work more time, I said, Jano dog again. Tell you the choices I made just to get paid. It was hard, but I know that I work every day. God only knows how I had to be patient, provide all the strength for the burden we face and the blessings in my life. Me no give up, yeah, me I want fight. Struggles and the heartache in the hard times only make me. When I give it a wave again, encouraging man. If I had it my way, I would fly away, far away somewhere where no one can find me. If I had it my way, I would fly away, far away, far away. And that's the beauty about life. Can you see them fight down there? I tell them about 2022. And that makes summer 2023. I'm proud to be representing at CultureCon. See me? Because it only makes you stronger.
Yes.
Represent. You don't know, big up all of the other performance in the house. Yes, sir. Give thanks. But now we're having some fun with the music. I'm going to come in and Mr. Scratcher wear a shirt. Show him a shirt. Show him a shirt. Oh man, the shirt says Barbados. So anybody in the house representing for the Caribbean, this one, I'm going to take you to the Caribbean. It literally sounds like sunshine. So if you feel like waving again, please do drop it for me, please. Island home, island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from. My island in the sun. Oh, my island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from. My island in the sun. I remember yard when free as snow. It's nice and warm. I hear true old sound string up today. Tonight is a show. Everybody at Queen say the party. When a breakfast time, the climb a breadfruit tree. Wash off in the river, now me living free. So life sweet in the West Indies. No problem, when me tell stories. Island home, island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from. like to see. I would pick the fruit straight from the tree. East Indian, oh mercy please. Oh, she and the grill pearly white. When the vibes and culture and the cuisine meet, dance I keep telling you. Some of the sexiest girl them you will never see. Foreign and the world is heaven. Big up yourself, Mr. D. My island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from. My island in the sun. Yes, my island home, my island home. Culture can let me tell you where we from. My island in the sun. My island home, my island home. Culture can let me tell you where we from. My island in the sun. Mr. D. Let me tell you about where I'm from. My island in the sun. No. Island.
My island in the sun.
Happy place. Yes, I. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. So, don't drop it, get scratchy. Don't drop it. I'm gonna skip one step.
Oh.
Yeah, Jamaican would have to go do this first.
Crush it. Crush it.
As I tell everybody, we know grinder exists, scissors, all of these things, but a Jamaican always just love crush it in her palm. So expect that when you go to Jamaica. So let's drop the blaze. From morning we're blazing. From morning, blazing, blazing from morning. From morning, blazing like day. Real like day. You want it for days. Like half in my place and the highest we are day. Real like day. Real like day. We used to meditate. Night as we wake, so awake and day. CultureCon. Play this skunk when me get from Orange Hill. Pack the lungs and ventilate it through the nostril. So me pull it, so me let it through me doors. Now me eye run water like a long water hose. Mr. Please could you hand me a pen for me build myself a split. I go rise up the bamboo chalice. Cut it fine pan the boat. Give me a full coaching. CultureCon, no me say me want. I night as me wake, so I wake and wake. You never hear? I day, I day. You see meditate. Night as me wake, so I wake and wake. Only the highest let me reach certain heights. Mr. Farmer till the sign, no wanna garden delight. No wanna first class, no commercial flight. Marijuana international, me have to take up. Start crushing now my palm pick out the seed them fast. Cause me know said that one year go last. Out of space, me gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. You hear me I say? Breathe like it. You want to tell you that one more time? The part is nice, let me say. Crushing on my palm. Out of space, me gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. Let me see again. Out of space, me gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. High grade, breathe like it. You see meditate. Night as me wake, so I wake and wake. When the herbalist say, high grade, breathe like it. You see meditate. Night as me wake, so I wake and wake. Yes, that track is called The Blaze.
Yes.
And that's the first single off of the Love and Life album. I may have some close people to me will tell me say it's a banger. So I don't know if they might gas me up. We want you to tell me if you think that's a banger.
Yes.
You see me? And then, here Scratchy says a banger. And then me I gonna say, yo, a banger like that, I'm supposed to hear it representing a Kelowna.
Yes, please. Come on.
So when me want to do for gold mine is when you pull up at a party, you be like, DJ, I need to hear Blaze from Gold Mine.
Yes.
And now gonna do that for me?
Yes.
Me and they gonna do that for me. That's all I want from you guys tonight. When you pull up at the next party, Mr. DJ, give me Blaze from Gold Mine. So anyhow, tell us last year was some battles. Win the battles, we'll have some fun. But while we're on the rise, you know what gonna happen when you're on the rise. Yeah, the fight gonna happen. So that's the latest track. And I'm gonna give you an instrumental, come on. A cappella I should say, come on, you hear every word of this one. It's all good until you start with. How they make me forward, be asking me sorry for them heartstring, cause this is just the starting. And God a prevail, me not fail, so them jealousy just can't win. This me a talk about no. You see the ship a sail and want stop my flow. Watch them support, no joke, no for them a come close, cause them want put a hole in the boat. Kelowna wait, where them a fight me fall. Through them see me elevate. They pan a heights, you know. But I want to do this. Tell them, say them late. Come on, arise, you know. A straight fire we play. Is an ignite, you know. Second verse. When you rise into the top, well, the battle just begin. Prepare for the fighters, you're never gonna win. And nothing beat a trial, but a failure. So for me, in the music is where me put me everything. Keep on going, and never watch your face. The time for gears, the time for waste. Man, I forget the need for love, the love for hate. Drop the blaze, hot cake, 50,000 streams. I'm never hear a selector round here and play. Let me say a while ago. Me keep on going, and never watch your face. The time for gears, the time for waste. Man, I forget the need for love, the love for hate. Me drop the blaze, hot cake, 50. Yes, I give thanks. So, we just jump in it. So Love and Life, who says the album, Gold Mine is the name. And I'm gonna give you this song, because reggae music is about the message. So this one, I want you to just take the message. Drop the last one for me, please. And thanks. Scratching wicked like so practice about 3 weeks straight. You see me? Love the vibe and the energy. Everything is gonna be alright, no matter where I go through. Just remember Gold Mine telling you that. Yeah, just tune me up nice and make them enjoy and bounce on this. And say reggae music is about the message. What? One thing me know, everything is gonna be alright though. Go through the snow. Everything is gonna be alright. Jaja never give a man more than him can bear. So me just a go and hold it out for my share. Cause the struggles in our life and the things if you keep me alive. So me tell you right here, anything you can't fix, don't worry about it. If it's not a need, you can't go without it. Things are gonna change, just stay focused. When in doubt, refer back to the course. Alright, I'm sure everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Gold Mine tell you, say, one thing me know. Everything is gonna be alright, CultureCon, go through the snow. Everything is gonna be some days, even when you're not feeling up, just get up, dress up, show up, and never give up, never give up, never go under. And if you fall behind and the race run faster, just the process and nothing beat timing. Cause winners never quit and quitters never win. Don't make the problem stress you out. CultureCon, take my advice. One advice tonight. Give it time. Yes, I make them worry your mind. Don't worry about it. Leave it to time. Don't make them worry your mind. Yes, I alright, I'm sure everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. One thing we know. Everything is gonna be alright, though. Go through the snow. Everything is gonna be alright. One thing we know. Everything is gonna be alright, though. Go through the snow. Everything is gonna be alright. One thing we know. Everything is gonna be alright. Thank you again for having me. And you don't know, big respect, nothing but blessing.